I'm Jon Dave, I'm co-founder of Blue Sky Chartered Accountants, and this is my co-founder,
Dave Gibson.
We're going to give you the top 10 questions to do with SEIS. Hi Dave.
Hi John.
What is SEIS?
It's the Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme. It was introduced in 2012 to help boost investment into early stage companies.
What are the main conditions for a company to qualify for SEIS to start with?
They must have a permanent UK establishment and be a UK company, in other words subject to UK corporation tax. And fewer than 25 full-time employees. Can't be a member of a partnership or owned and controlled by another company. There's also certain market sectors that are barred from raising under SEIS schemes.
Wow, sounds amazing. How much SEIS can a company raise?
Up to £150,000. It must be raised before the trade has been running for 2 years.
Cool, and how much can a single investor put into an SEIS company?
Up to £100,000 in any one tax year. That can be spread across a number of different businesses.
Sounds good for them. Do they get any tax relief?
Yeah, the investor can get up to 50% tax relief in the year in which they invest or the previous year. You've got to be a UK income taxpayer to get the relief. There's no cashback scheme.
How does SEIS work with EIS?
They're complementary to each other. The SEIS raise must be made before the EIS raise.
Sounds complicated. What are the conditions for the shares?
Individuals must pay in full in cash for the shares up front, and the shares must be ordinary shares with no preferential rights for dividends or on winding up.
So there must be lots of opportunities to lose this tax relief as well.
Yeah, there are a number of conditions, John, but the main ones are that the investor must hold on to the shares for at least 3 years. The company must comply with the conditions of the scheme for 3 years, and the investor cannot receive extra value from the company in that time.
Wow, I liked it so much I bought the company. How much of the share capital can an investor own in one company?
The single investor, including the parents, the spouse and the children, can't own more than 30% of the business.
Can I invest in a family business?
Yes, you can, but yourself, your parents, your spouse and your children cannot control or own more than 30% of the business shares at any one time, although your brothers and sisters are outside scope of that.
I never thought SEIS was so enjoyable.
It's an absolute godsend.